everyone and welcome back to my vlog. It is their 6 weeks holidays. We're at a little bit of a loose end, so just come and see what we get up to. Does anyone else have like issues toasting sourdough, like the big bits? Mine always just gets, I don't know, like snaps in half. Like my cats are constantly on me whenever I have this breakfast. Like before I even get the smoked salmon out, it's like they can smell the cream cheese and they're like, right, it's go time. So that's what's currently happening. I've got a cat under my feet, but I am going to be nice and give them some smoked salmon. Look at him, he's going in the bowl, not on the floor. Enjoy. Don't you just hate it when you leave your avocado in the garden? I mean, I guess it is grown in gardens, but hey ho. Let's see if it's ripe enough actually. Please ignore all this. We are still in the middle of doing some sort of DIY thing. It's just been too hot. But yeah, I always find with avocado, it's like I get 2-pack of them. One's always perfect, and the other one like needs a little bit of time to ripen up. This one, look, scoops straight out. Oh, absolutely chef's kiss. Oh, I don't have any parmigiano, whatever it's called. I do love a little grating action, you know. Okay, this is my breakfast. I skipped the egg today. I have added some more chili sauce because I'm a bit of a sauce fiend. But I find it goes perfectly with the cream cheese, avocado, I mean, who do I think I am? Nigella? Probably got the outfit for it. And I am partial to a bit of a midnight snack. Going to the fridge like she does, you know, bit of cake. All right, quite a lot of cake. Let's get a bit of the avocado and the smoked salmon on a little piece here. I mean, I've got 2 knives for some reason. That's what I need, okay. I mean, it's like a little hors d'oeuvre, isn't it? Or like a little appetizer that you would get. Mmm. 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 Right, I have just done something that is a little bit of a pet hate, but like when I watch YouTube videos, I really can't stand it when people eat and then like the reactions. I don't know what it is. It just gives me the ick a little bit. The same with like Saturday morning kitchen. And I've just done that. So who am I? Oh, don't you just love it when you find some surprise tinfoil? You see, waste not, want not. And we're gonna go and dine al fresco in the garden because I am so bougie, apparently now. Bougie, bougie, bougie baby. And we're gonna go and eat it in the garden al fresco because I am bougie. I have also misplaced my iced coffee somewhere, but we're doing very well. I'm currently being stalked by a cat. I mean, I've had your type before, my darling. Please don't even go, don't gaslight me. You scratch you 1 minute, then want all your salmon. Liberty. Just about to get in the bath and get myself ready, but I thought I'd show you a little charity shop purchase, right? The most funniest thing happened. So these are panpipes, right? I picked these up straight away in like the little nooks and crannies bit. That's my favourite bit. I don't even know if, what is it, bric-a-brac, not nooks and crannies. You know what I mean. Anyway, so I picked these up and then me and Adam was like, oh, shall I, well, he wasn't with me at the time, he was in another shop, but we had the idea to get like some country CDs from the charity shop because he's got a CD player in the car. So we're like, right, okay. So I'm searching through, I'm like looking through. I only go and pick up the Best of Panpipes CD and I put it on in the car. In fact, Adam's going to show you exactly what it is right now.
Well, thank you, Samantha. You joined me in a very busy Asda car park where as soon as I put my camera on, the world's going mad and there's people just trying to park all around me. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the magical sound of the panpipes. So, come with me on a journey into my CD player. was the magical sound of the panpipes. I'm still surrounded by people who will think I'm about to leave this car parking space, and have done since I put the Panpipe CD on, but I'm still sitting and listening to it, so maybe it's time to go.
Okay, so who remembers this little beauty? It is Britney Spears' Fantasy. I'm so sorry. I'm such a cheap date. Hardly cost me a thing. And the smell is just so nostalgic. Along with J-Lo Glow. I want to try and get hold of that next. And was it red jeans? Is it Versace red jeans? Oh my gosh, I just want to go all nostalgic. Bring it all back. I can't believe, right? These are now classed as like classics. It's hilarious to me. Oh my god. But yeah, just thought I'd share a little nostalgic moment.
Express my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again.
So this summer I'm just obsessed with ankle bracelets. I've got these really cute ones. I may have shown you them before. I think I'm being called. Of course I am. Bear with. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I got these really cute ones. There's a little sun and a little moon. This one needs to be untangled properly, but if you can see it. Where's the camera? Oh, there's the camera. So I'm going to put those on. It's a bit hard and difficult to film your own feet though. I mean, I'm sure there are people that get paid for that. Okay, I think I kind of got it. They keep moving though. Well, anyway, there they are. And it appears that I do need to paint my toenails because they are a bit questionable. So just keeping it real here. Well, I'm all ready. We're going to head over to our local splash pool just for a little chill. It's a lot cooler today, so I think we chose the best day. And please comment below if you've ever had the opportunity to play a panpipe and nailed it. Okay, so we got our hats. Indy's opted for a cowboy hat. I mean, I can't say I blame her. But I'm going to show you what we've had. So I've obviously got some waters and bits and pieces. We're going to go over to our local little town and just get a few more little snacks. Indy is a lot heavier from last year when we used to do this. Definitely doing some cardio here or some weight training. Depends on the way you look at it. Okay, I've got some snacky bits and some little inflatables for Indy. Well, an inflatable, but I didn't think about the fact that I need to blow it up, do I? So we'll see how that goes. So I've got myself a nice little feta cheese dip and some West Country cheddar and spring onion crisps, and Harley's got some Pringles. Indy is currently in a floaty. Just loving life. Are you there? Whoa, you fell over. There's Harley doing his most famous Daniel Craig impression. So we just left the splash pool. We're going to go home now. Put some bits away. There was some sort of incident with some lolly that melted all over the rest of Indy's clothes, but it is a hot day, so we can deal with it. And I need to unpack everything and do some washing. So I'm a bit annoyed because I bought a new pair of sunglasses and I can't find them. I think I left them in the shop. So I've just got home, everyone's chilling, and I'm gonna make myself an iced coffee and I've got to wash them. So pretty chilled actually. But there is no rest for the wicked because I just remembered that I need to do the watering can. Well, the flowers, you know what I mean. Okay, so ADHD, autism talk, right? So my son, I think I mentioned in other videos, has been presenting some like anger issues. So we had to go to a bit of an extreme just to try and get some help. But I think what we've decided is that he probably just needs some sort of outlet. Even though he's got the outlet with his buses, he needs some sort of outlet to talk. He does talk a lot, but it's whether he's able to access the right thing in his head that he needs to talk about. So yeah, I mean, how does anyone else deal with teenagers? Because it's my first, right? I've never experienced this before. So yeah, it's quite hard to navigate. I thought I knew it all until I didn't at all. But yeah, it's just been quite difficult. Exactly, no answers. Although I do have an idea. They've just opened a SEN, well, not just actually, I just found out about it, an SEN boxing session locally. So I think I'm going to take him to that and see if that helps in any other way. Maybe with a physical aggression part. I know a lot of it is mental, which is a good thing, but we'll see. Anyone that's got boxing experience, like, feel free to comment or just let me know if that is a good idea. I don't know. Yeah, hopefully we'll get there. But in the meantime, it's quiet and we are going to relish that just for now, even for like 30 seconds. So Age has got chicken korma for dinner. Indy's got a little pasta pot. It's way too hot, isn't it? I've got some pork loins and salad. I'm determined to eat them once they're cooled down, but I'm really craving them, so we're gonna do that. And excuse my hair, I'm trying to do something really cute with it, but I'm like Nora Batty at the minute. Okay, so you're all currently in the cupboard. Hopefully it's clean enough. I'm gonna do some marination for the nation. So I got this ages ago from B&M. I really want to use it. Normally I do regular sauce. I'm going to add some oil and some jerk seasoning, and we're going to marinate it for, I don't know, half an hour. I know I probably should have done it earlier, but such is modern life. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I definitely left you all in the cupboard, by the way. Okay, do you know what? We're just going to go all in. Then we're going to give it a little massage, which I could definitely do with, but the pork is getting it instead, and gonna rub it all in. All right, there we are. I'm probably gonna add some more like regular sauce as well, by the way, but it's marinating nicely. And this is Indy's dinner. I know it seems lazy, but it's way too hot and way too busy, and yeah, we'll get back to some proper cooking very soon, but she's very happy with it. And I would show you Harley's, but he's inhaled it, so he enjoyed it. And on that note, I will bid you goodbye for the day, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Tomorrow, what we're doing, we're gonna go pick up Harley's extra glasses, and we're also going to, we're doing some more skating. See you then.